Mariana Trench or Marianas Trench. The Mariana Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean about 200 kilometers, 124 miles, east of the Mariana Islands. It is the deepest oceanic trench on Earth. The deepest portion of the trench was at 11,034 meters deep from sea level. Fun fact. The fun fact is that if Mount Everest were hypothetically placed into the trench at this point, its peak would still be underwater by more than 2 kilometers. Origin of the word and the historical development. The Mariana Trench is named after the nearby Mariana Islands, which are named Las Marianas in honor of Spanish Queen Mariana of Austria. Geology. The islands are part of the island arc that is formed on an overriding plate, called the Mariana Plate, also the western side of the trench. The oceanic crust near the western margin of the Pacific Plate, it is among the oldest on the planet, which accounts for its significant height difference with the higher riding Mariana Plate. The Mariana Islands were formed indirectly as a result of the movement of the Pacific and Mariana Plates. Flux melting of the upper mantle owing to the release of water held in minerals of the subducted Pacific Plate part is what creates these volcanic islands. Life found in Mariana Trench. Due to the intense pressure, the 1960 expedition claimed to have seen big species living at the bottom, including a flatfish that is about 30 centimeters long, with considerable astonishment. Now that several marine biologists have cast doubt on the flatfish report, it has been proposed that the object may actually have been a sea cucumber instead of flatfish. Pollution in Mariana Trench. In 2019, Victor Vescovo, the first person to climb Mount Everest in 1953, and 7 years later he reached the Challenger Deep and found a plastic bag and candy wrappers at the bottom of the trench. Victor Vescovo said that it is very disturbing to see that the deepest depths of the world's ocean aren't exempt from man-made interference.